Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make grilled chicken. I'm going to make a marinade for the chicken. You can brush the marinade on the chicken and grill it right away or marinate it overnight. This is a Jamaican style marinade. It's not 100% Jamaican, but I'm using a lot of spices that you'd generally find in a Jamaican marinade. I've got hot sauce here. This is Jamaican hot pepper sauce. You can see in very small letters it says very hot. I missed that when buying this. It's very, very spicy. I just meant to get the standard hot pepper sauce, not the very hot. So I'm only going to use a little bit of this and mix it with a vinegar-based hot sauce like Frank's. You can also use Tabasco. You can really use any vinegar-based hot sauce. I've got garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and ground black pepper, dried thyme and dried basil, dry ground mustard, ground allspice, and ground cloves. You can see how old my bottle of allspice is. Most of us don't use that much allspice in our recipes, so if you have allspice berries sitting around, just grind them up in a little spice grinder. You can also buy the already ground up allspice and cloves. I'm gonna squeeze some oranges and limes. I need some fresh lime juice and orange juice for the marinade. I'm going to put all the marinade ingredients in a little food processor. The thyme and basil, cloves, mustard, and allspice, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, and some of the liquid. Just going to add the rest of the liquid. And the marinade's ready. It smells really fresh from the lime juice and orange juice and spicy from the hot sauce. I'm using chicken thighs with the bone in and skin on. I've washed the chicken and pat them dry. Pour the marinade over the top. Mix this up really well. Every piece is coated nicely. We can grill this right away or cover it and marinate it for at least a few hours. I'm going to leave this in the refrigerator and grill it tomorrow. To grill the chicken, use gas or charcoal. For this Jamaican style chicken, charcoal is best. It gives it that smoky taste of the chicken you get in Jamaica. I visited Jamaica years ago and had awesome food there. I'll put some pictures at the end of this video. Put the hot coals on one side and the chicken on the other. Cook at about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 to 190 Celsius. Use the top and bottom vents to control the temperature. Cook for about 20 minutes on one side, turn over, and cook another 20 minutes. I like to put the chicken directly over the coals towards the end of cooking to get more color on the chicken and crisp up the skin. When it's cooked, the temperature should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. A couple of degrees over is fine for chicken thighs. If you're using boneless meat for this recipe, especially white meat, grill it directly over the coals for a few minutes on each side. Check the temperature and move to the cool side of the grill if it's not 165 degrees. This is one of the juiciest and tastiest grilled chicken I've ever made. It's pretty much like jerk chicken, and I plan to make it more often, especially since I can't visit Jamaica anytime soon. Enjoy these pictures. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. it.